Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create an effective study timetable for your Class 10 studies. To begin, gather all your subject materials and understand your current commitments, like school hours or extracurricular activities. Next, identify your peak concentration times. Are you a morning person or do you focus better in the evening? Knowing this helps you schedule your most challenging subjects when you are most alert, maximizing your learning efficiency. Now let's structure your study blocks. Allocate specific time slots for each subject, ensuring a balanced approach across all areas. Break down larger subjects into smaller, manageable topics to avoid feeling overwhelmed. For instance, dedicate 1 hour to mathematics, focusing on a single chapter. Remember to incorporate short breaks, perhaps 10 to 15 minutes every hour, to maintain focus and prevent burnout. Prioritize subjects needing more attention. To optimize your schedule, integrate regular revision sessions for previously covered material. This reinforces learning and improves retention. Also, schedule dedicated time for solving practice papers and mock tests, which is crucial for exam preparation. Don't forget to include short periods for physical activity or relaxation. A fresh mind learns better. Most importantly, ensure you get adequate sleep, aiming for around 8 hours nightly, to consolidate your learning. Finally, remember that your timetable is a dynamic tool, not a rigid rule. Regularly review its effectiveness, perhaps at the end of each week, and adjust study times or subject allocations as needed. Be flexible and allow for unexpected events or changes in your routine. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Celebrate your small achievements, like completing a challenging topic, to stay motivated and consistent on your path to academic success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.